Top 5 Benefits of Olive Oil for Men's Health. Have you ever wondered how a simple ingredient like olive oil could significantly enhance men's health? Today, we're exploring the remarkable benefits of olive oil, which can greatly improve your well-being, including a boost to libido and sexual health. By the end of this video, you'll gain a newfound appreciation for this kitchen staple. Let's dive right in and discover some of the benefits of olive oil. Number 1. Heart health. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which help lower bad LDL cholesterol levels in your blood. High LDL levels can accumulate in your arteries, leading to atherosclerosis, a condition where arteries become narrowed and hardened, increasing the risk of heart disease, heart attacks, and strokes. Monounsaturated fats in olive oil also work to increase good HDL cholesterol, which keeps your arteries clear and healthy. According to the American Heart Association, studies have shown that individuals who regularly consume olive oil have up to a 30% lower risk of developing heart disease compared to those who don't. Number 2. Brain health and cognitive function. The antioxidants in olive oil, especially vitamin E and polyphenol, protect your brain cells by combating oxidative stress, which can lead to cell damage and cognitive decline over time. Studies have shown impressive results. For example, research published in the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease found that a diet rich in olive oil is associated with a lower risk of cognitive decline in older adults. Additionally, long-term consumption of olive oil has been linked to improved memory and learning abilities. Number 3. Weight management. First, it's important to understand that not all fats are the same. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil help increase feelings of fullness and satisfaction, reducing the likelihood of unnecessary snacking. An older 4-week study found that men with overweight or obesity who replaced saturated fats with monounsaturated fats in their diets experienced modest but significant weight loss, despite no major change in total fat or calorie intake. Additionally, more recent research agrees that unsaturated fats are generally more beneficial than saturated fats for healthy weight maintenance. Number 4. Skin and hair health. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants, such as vitamins A and E, which actively nourish and protect your skin by neutralizing harmful free radicals, preventing premature aging. Additionally, olive oil contains squalene, a natural emollient that mimics your skin's natural oils, allowing it to be deeply absorbed and giving you a healthy, radiant glow. Now, let's talk about hair health. Olive oil's moisturizing properties benefit your hair as well. It penetrates the hair shaft, nourishing it from within, resulting in hair that is stronger, shinier, and less prone to breakage. Number 5. Libido and sexual health. Believe it or not, olive oil is more than just a kitchen staple, it's a key player in boosting sexual vitality. The nutrients in olive oil, such as zinc, vitamin E, and antioxidants, promote healthy blood flow and support hormone production. Studies have shown that these nutrients can enhance libido and improve sexual function. Recent research from the University of Athens revealed surprising results. In a comprehensive study involving 660 men with an average age of 67, scientists observed that those who followed a Mediterranean diet rich in olive oil experienced significantly fewer challenges in their intimate relationships and reported substantial improvements in sexual performance. This finding highlights the potential of olive oil as a natural aid for sexual well-being. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.